How to use text to speech on iOS 26. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here click on utilities folder. Now here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down, click on accessibility. Now here you will see, click on read and speak. So click on read and speak. So click on speak screen. So if you want to use text to speech, so turn on this button. So after turn on this button, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can use text to speech on iOS 26. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.